It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Tahoe. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice it comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the power telescopic steering wheel button, the electric park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, auto stop start, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with the integrated trailer brake controller, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power moonroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and turn the Tahoe on, and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power liftgate button, power folding rear seats, the power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. This is Chevrolet's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We're able to change our camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Electronic precision shifting down the side, the engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the rear climate control buttons, some USB ports and power plug-in, and this is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Tahoe, there are red tow hooks, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and as we make our way to the back, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the back of the Tahoe, there's plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the power folding seats. We've got buttons for the second and third row, power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power door locks, power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some USB-C plug-ins, and a power plug-in down below. 2 bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the lever on the side of the seat. In the back, we've got 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.